Hey guys, this is Mahbub, and in this video I will show you how you can run YouTubers for your company or your agency. Let's get started. So first of all we have to go to Ad Manager, Google Ad Manager. So we will type ads.google.com. Then we will sign in here. Then we have to select our ad account. And we need to get our video link also. So first of all, what we have to do, we will click on plus icon, then new campaign, then we will do for website traffic or video view. So we can, if you want to do video view, we can do awareness consideration, then video views, then continue. And we will give contract name here like YT video campaign 16. Okay, bidding strategy. We can't do anything before run the campaign, and then here we have to give our budget. I'm keeping it $20 daily, and we can put our end date if you want to run for 1 week. Okay, and the network we want to just show on only YouTube, no partner. Country we can select only our target country like United States, this one. And if we want to exclude any city from United States like Los Angeles, exclude. So this is how you can exclude. So language only English, and then we don't need to do anything here. Yeah, we want to get more video view, multiple format of video, no problem, we want it. And that group, this is that group name, we can change it. Demographic only male and female, no unknown. No unknown. We can change it from here. If we have any product for only pregnant women, we can select female and parents. Okay, and if you want to change this, we can do it. Okay, audience segment, we will keep it here the same, no need to change anything here. Then we will give the keyword. Okay, so we have to research keyword for our video. So let me show you my video. Okay, so this is my video that I want to promote, and we'll share and then copy the link, and then okay, no, first of all we have to find keyword. We have to do keyword research. So first of all we will do this one, and this keyword planner, and we will research keyword from here. Let's do Google Ads. Okay, Google Ads, Google search ads. search that. Okay, get result. We will get 100 results from here and we will copy them. Okay, select and then copy. We will paste them all, then we will change it from the ad running ads. Okay, which one will work and we will keep them, other ones will be killed. Okay, now topic, we can select topic from here, Google Ads. Okay, we can select it here and then nothing. Placement, add placement only YouTube channel, videos, anywhere, no problem. Just we want to get more views. Okay, now they're saying to put my video link here and copy and paste. Okay, this is my video. You can see videos longer than 3 meters not used to only perform well and shorter. So they're saying that video should be 3 minutes, but it will run, no problem. We will keep it. Okay, now we will give our link. Also, I'm giving my channel link. We can put the same link, just because I'm just showing you, right? Okay. Learn advertising on Google. Okay, description, Google, search, and then is most amazing campaign. Okay, you can see we will get almost 3k to 7k views on this budget, and if you want we can give in display path, Google Ads, okay, you can see the outlook from here, and this is how you can run the video campaign from here. And so if you want target the CPC budget, you can put it here, or if you want you can automatically set the bid. Okay, create campaign. So here we will see the full details and continue to overview. So here it's enable, and now policy review in progress in 2 days. Okay, so it's already closed the campaign. Now it's under review. You can see it's under review. So after a few time it will get approved and campaign will be live. Okay, so this is how we can run campaign. So if you have anything to ask me, you can comment below, and please like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more video like this. And if you think this is informative, please like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.